Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can remove the noise of your video background or the noise of your voice. So if you're interested, continue watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel here. Just here subscribe and hit the like button, it really does help me. So now we are in the computer. This is the interface of Camtasia application. So let's play this video. Know how to compress the size of an image. This video has very noise in the background. I don't remove it because this tutorial and we just work on this. So you have to just come in the more option, and here you have to find the audio effect. Click on this and you can find the noise removal, and just right click and add to selected menu. This is our selected media. Yes, this you have to select at the first. We select this media and add to. If you don't select this, this option will not activate it. Look at this is not activated, and if you select any of these media, this will now it's activated. So add to the selected media. So now we are added, and this is now it don't has any noise in the background. If we don't know how to it's now very clear and smooth. So that's it. For today. That's very a quick and simple tutorial, and if you're interested this kind of topic and this kind of video, so just subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you have any suggestion to us, just don't forget to comment for us. Thanks for watching this video. Until next video, goodbye.